Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can download or install the Chat GPT on your Windows. So I will share to you two ways on how you can install the Chat GPT on Windows. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to bring up and open the Microsoft Edge browser. Again, it's the Microsoft Edge browser, the default browser of your Windows. Type here Edge in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Maximize this. So here in the search bar for Microsoft Edge, type Chat GPT. Hit enter. Now you'll find this option from chatgpt.com. Click on ChatGPT. Now you can use ChatGPT in the Microsoft Edge, but that is through the Microsoft Edge. Like you are still going to open the Microsoft Edge browser, then you have to search for ChatGPT and then you can use it. But can we install this as a separate application from the Microsoft Edge? Then we can simply do that. So in this window, you have to click on these three dots at the top right corner. And then in the list of options, click on apps, install this site as an app. Click on install. You can also pin to taskbar and pin to start. Click on allow. And now if I close the Microsoft Edge browser, the ChatGPT will not be closed because this is already installed as an application on your Windows. So if I search on it in the Windows search bar, type ChatGPT, that will appear as an application in under the best match. Now for the second method is we need to open the Microsoft Store. So type store in the Windows search bar, open it. Now here in the search bar, type Chat GPT. Click on it. And you'll find this option, the official ChatGPT Windows app. It has also high ratings and garnered a lot of stars. Now click on Get button in order to install the application into our Windows. So let's just wait for this to be fully installed into our Windows. So now this is done. The installation process has been done. So to confirm if we have installed it into our Windows, close the Microsoft Store window and type Chat GPT, so that will appear as an app under the best match. So that's it. You can now simply access and use the Chat GPT into your Windows. So this is how you can, or you can also log in and sign up right here with your account. So that's the two easy ways on how you can download or install the Chat GPT into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.